In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the self-leveling tabs on the J. Geiger inside jam mount brackets. You can see here, I've got just under an inch, 7/8, 15/16. Well, up here, I've got closer to 5/8, which it should be. So this shade is skewed or cattywampus to this window, and it's out about, 3/16 of an inch. So I remove the idler, and then on the bracket, just loosen up my 2 screws, bring it down the amount that I need, in this instance, 1/4 inch to 5/16, and then tighten the screws back up. When you're finished, reinstall, and now we should be closer to 5/8 of an inch all the way around our fabric. Here we have some obvious telescoping. In order to cure this, we're going to make it walk back this way. First thing I'm going to do is flip this over, not once, but twice. Don't forget, we give you an extra 20 inches. So with that extra 20 inches, you shouldn't have a problem flipping it over twice. Roll the shade all the way down. Now that we've completely rolled ourselves all the way down, we might be touching the ground a little bit, that's okay. We're going to apply a little piece of tape about 6 inches in from the side that it was telescaping away from. Rule of thumb is walks towards the tape, and we go in a vertical like this, and the reason for that is we're trying to make the roll a little bit larger than the other side, because one revolution, now that it's a little larger, will cover more ground. Think about it like a larger tire. One revolution would go further than a smaller tire, so that will in effect catch some of the fabric and make it walk back towards the tape. A light colored tape is always preferred. Try not to use dark tapes on light fabric. If it's still walking, we can add more tape or we can look for a different variable. The second piece of tape should not overlap completely, just a little bit. I'll go below it. Now if this doesn't do it, we're going to look for another variable. All right, after we have fixed the walking, we'll go ahead and flip this back over the 2 times. All right, you can see it might be out a little bit because we've just taken it in, so 1 click, and we're ready for show.